Listen on people. Yeah, before we even start the video, please leave a like. Please. Yes. Man killed within hours of child's mother being gunned down in Maypen. A motive is yet to be identified in the mystery murders of a woman and her child's father in two separate incidents in Effortville, Maypen, Clarendon, within less than a 12-hour span on the weekend. The deceased have been identified as 35-year-old Camille Ellis of a Effortville address and a Fernando Morris of a Gregory Park address, Portmore in St. Catherine. According to the police reports, the events started unfolding on Saturday at about 9 p.m. when a gunman kicked off the door of Ellis' house and shot her several times. She was later pronounced dead at the hospital. Further reports are that about 9 a.m. on a Sunday, Morris, the father of one of Ellis' children, went to Effortville to collect his child and was pounced upon by a gunman who allegedly shot him. The police are They allegedly shot him and killed him. The police are continuing their investigation to the grisly murder of Ellis and Morris. So basically, people, it's really sad. And condolences to the family of the incident. And it's really sad, people. It's really sad. So, this was here. Sure to like the video and subscribe. Anything you can do. Thank you.